Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So, ngayong araw, gaya tayo sa another casual talk video, man. Gaya tayo sa when you criticize P-pop without knowing anything about it. Yung nakaraan singers, no? When singers criticize P-pop without knowing anything about it. But this time, when you, no? That's just this regular fucking persons or people na wala talagang alam criticize P-pop. I guess I assume that that's what's going to happen in here, but yeah, I mean we have another casual talk, man. Remember when we used to like be hype and happy and then sad, all of emotion na mararamdaman mo pag nanonood ka ng casual talk video. Ngayon puro parang parang gigil eh. But yeah, just so curious about this. No, I wanna know as well yung take ng mga tao before pa ako maging 18. And I assume isa yun sa mga to. Kailan ba to in-upload ni 2 years ago? Yeah. So yeah. Without no further ado, man, let's get it. OPM, original Pinoy music, P-pop, Pinoy pop.
Yung sa OPM na legit, yung parang pinaka-OPM lang talaga na 100%. Parang, kumbaga nandun yung emotions eh. Diba? Pag sinabi mo OPM, ay emotions. Tas kasi P-pop parang medyo party, ganun.
My inbox has been blowing up with reaction requests about this interview with an OPM artist that I barely know. Fans said that he had
Ano daw? Party? What the hell? Dati magkakasama niya doon? Sabi niya doon?
Pag sinabi mo OPM,
oh shit.
ay emotions. Tas kasi P-pop parang medyo party, ganun.
My inbox has been blowing up with reaction requests about this interview with an OPM artist that I barely know. Fans said that he had interesting things to say about P-pop
About this OPM artist that I barely know. Hindi ko kakilala yan.
music, and I'm here for it. So I guess it's another my opinion to his opinion type of video. Without further ado,
so we have this type of thing again, no? My opinion to Casual Chuck's opinion to their opinion.
let's get into it. So it started with the interviewer saying how P-pop right now has been on the rise and then asked an artist an interesting question.
Balik tayo dun kanina sa usapan na like last night kasi ang daming paramdam ng P-pop. It's really on the rise. What are your thoughts about P-pop?
P-pop?
Like even Warner has its own diba? A boy group.
Siguro po for me po kasi, hindi naman lahat ng parang kumbaga kasi, yung P-pop tsaka parang P-pop parang nakuha nila sa K-pop.
Right off the bat, his vibe
I see you go to that route again. You fucking lagi na lang. Why? What the hell?
Yung P-pop tsaka parang P-pop parang nakuha nila sa
Napag yung P-pop parang napag-gano'n siya, di ba? Alam ko na kung saan pupunta yung sasabihin niya dito, and I don't fucking know. I mean, naiintindihan ko naman, no? Ba't kasi sabi yan? Lalo na yung mga may kitid yung utak, no? Na walang alam talaga sa mga gatong bagay. I assume, ipagkukumpara talaga nila. Pero, with that said, man, nakitid yung utak mo.
K-pop.
Right off the bat, his vibe for me is that he doesn't really know a lot about the music industry.
Yeah.
He doesn't even know that K-pop borrowed a lot from J-pop and the West.
So mas maganda po siguro kung gagawa yung hindi ko pa sinasabi na hindi lahat ng group. Parang siguro po for me magandang may parang may uniqueness na pare kung K-pop, yung K-pop may parang unique style sila.
What? K-pop is not unique at all. In fact, nowadays, they sample a lot of their music from popular music
Sino ba to? Sino ba to? Kung yung kay Ray Valera nung nakaraan, I mean, you know, medyo hindi tayo disagree sa sinasabi niya, pero I assume kahit papano may alam siya sa sinasabi niya kasi si Ray Valera is a composer and like an icon sa music industry natin, no? So kahit papano meron siyang alam, no, kumbaga. And may nag-make sense yung sinasabi niya, hindi nga lang tama, di ba, kay Ray Valera. Nag-make sense kung paano niya nasasabi, kumbaga. Nalalaman natin kung saan nanggagaling yung sinasabi niya, di ba, galing sa comment section. Most probably, ganun yung nagiging opinion ni Ray Valera kasi he's stuck on his, you know, like, all these ways, no? So, again, we have, we have a conclusion or we have like a guess kung bakit ganon yung iniisip ni Ray Valera. Pero sa kanya, men, yung sinasabi niya dito, walang kalaman-laman.
Overseas. Here are some examples.
I'm on the next level. Yeah, I know you heard about it. I'm
Aston
on the
Wild.
next level.
Ah.
Yeah, 절대적으로를 지켜. This one by one, even two by two. Everybody in the floor, let me show you
On the
how to
replay, man, that's a classic.
Two by two. 내 손끝 툭 하나에 다 무너지는 중.
Talaga? Ano pa nila yun?
You got me.
See? I mean, that's okay, no? That's okay kung parang i-remix mo or ano ba tawag dito? As a sample mo yung beats and yung, you know, yung minsan lyrics, di ba, mga artists. That's okay. Again, music is universal. Come on, man. And this mother flipping, I don't even know you.
Begging for mercy. Why won't you release? 맘을 사로잡는 dancing.
Girls' Generation.
Got the people saying, Brooklyn saying, everybody say la 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 la, say la 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 la.
I want something just like this.
Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam.
쉽지 않아.
Sinample talaga nila yun. Isa yung mga favorite kong kanta ng ng Chainsmoker.
Just like this.
Something just like this.
울고 싶지 않아. You stress me out, you kill me, you drag me down, you fuck me up.
People come and people go. 세상에 멈춰서 너와 나.
Si Dio. Grabe ang luma nun. Ay, talaga? Talaga ba? Sinample lang ka na yun? Momalan. Oo nga, no?
You guys get what I mean, right? P-pop groups don't even do that.
Yeah.
So siguro sa Philippines maganda if yung mga P-pop band or artist may parang unique way din sila kung paano mo ay ito Philippines to. Ganun.
That's exactly what SB19 is doing today.
SB19 performing tomorrow at the Palladium, and I know you made.
Come on, man. Nasa Good Day, New York, ang SB19. Like, what the fuck, man? Ano pinagsasabi na yun to? Ba't parang wala akong pakialam sa sinasabi niya? Hindi ako makabigay ng kahit konting komento kasi parang walang laman yung sinasabi niya. I don't know, parang napakarit... Muntik ko na masabi yung R word, no? No, we don't use that in this channel. But...
Ganun.
That's exactly what SB19 is doing today.
SB19 performing tomorrow at the Palladium, and I know you make the Philippines proud, but you make all of us proud.
Thank you so
much.
Congratulations. Nice to have
Thank you so much.
Did you hear the reporter? She herself acknowledges that SB19's music represents the Philippines and she's even proud of them. I mean, look at this. You don't see these words often on a US live TV.
True. On a good day, New York, man. May nakita ka bang ano? Nakita ko ba yung kanina yon? Sino yon? Hindi ko kilala yon. Tainang yun. Nakita mo ba na ba siya dito? Kahit ano lang, kahit nadaanan ng camera.
Going back, I could sense that the reporter was kind of saddened by this guy's answers, and you can hear it in his voice when he asked this follow-up question.
Nakikinig ka ba?
Hindi po ako mahilig sa...
Kahit mga SB19?
Hindi.
Not even. Or even yung, ano nga yung sa Warner? Vixen ba yung sa Warner yata? You don't know?
Hindi.
Okay, pero yung style mo, medyo shoot sa style ng...
Okay, so why they always do this, no? They always provide or they always give their thoughts about something na hindi naman nila pinapakinggan, no? Kasi kung ako to, man, tayo na parang siguro sabihin ko na, yeah, I mean, sobrang sobrang, for example, wala kang alam. Pwede mo sabihin na, yeah, I mean, P-pop, okay lang, maganda naman yung P-pop. Di ba? Okay lang yun eh. Kung nagagaling sa taong hindi alam ito ko sa P-pop, na okay lang yun, di ba? Nakakaasar para sa atin na nagagandahan tayo sa ganun. Pero at the same time, maintindihan natin kasi hindi naman siya ikinig eh, di ba? Pero, yun na yun, di ba? Parang no comment na. Diba? Pwede mo sabihin na, hindi kasi ako masyadong knowledgeable about P-pop, no? So I cannot actually provide or give my thoughts about P-pop, but I mean, I think P-pop is great. I think it's okay, no? Kahit sabi lang it's okay, ayos lang eh. 'Di ba? Ayos lang, lalo na pag sinabi naman din na wala silang alam. Kasi maintindihan natin, right? Kasi wala silang alam eh. 'Di ba? Same lang naman tayo, 'di ba? May mga again, preferences, 'di ba? May mga tao dito na gustong-gusto yung metal, 'di ba? Yung screamo, pero most probably may mga tao diyan na I mean, okay, music siya. Pero wala kasi akong masyadong alam tungkol sa no? Pero yeah, ganun. Pwede mo sabihin ganun. Maintindihan natin kung sabihin nila na parang okay lang. Pero to give your thoughts about P-pop and then you don't even listen to them, so it doesn't make sense. It just blows my mind, man. Paano nila sabi yun?
Yeah. Kung may P-pop.
Oo, yung tawag doon, siguro po medyo.
I actually agree. His getup right now, especially his tattoos, remind me a lot of Ken's fashion.
Pero siguro mag-stick pa din po ako dun sa parang talaga. Kumbaga yung andun pa din yung pagka-OPM. Yung parang pagka-traditional ng OPM, di ba? Parang
Yung pagka-traditional.
Oo,
Kasi
yung
people would argue, OPM pa din naman to
Kaya nga.
OPM naman to Oo. Pero ang gusto mo yung, ano ba yung traditional na
parang
OPM para
po, yung parang may signatures, kasi parang way kung paano mo i-ano yung OPM. Like, siguro
Paano? Ngayon, explain mo. Hinuhukayan mo yung sarili mo eh. Hinuhukayan mo ngayon yung sarili mo ng sarili mong libingan. Men.
So, kasi P-pop, like, di ba, sa P-pop parang more on sounds na siya. Ganon. Tapos OPM naman.
Artist ba to? Singer ba to? Anong more on sounds na siya? More on sounds na siya. Parang yun yung maririnig mo sa mga bata, no? More on sounds na siya. Sounds? I mean, lahat ng kanta is may sounds. kahit yung mga folk dance, may sounds yun, di ba? Yung mga folk songs, may sounds yun. It's more on sounds. Kahit nga rap di ba? Wala na masyadong may mga rap song na wala na siya masyadong melody, no? Full on like flows and cadence na lang. Wala na yung parang sing-songy melody, no? Pero may sounds pa rin siya. What do you mean about sounds? What sounds?
Paano mo i-ano yung OPM? Like, siguro, kasi P-pop, like, di ba, sa P-pop parang more on sounds na siya.
More on
Ganun.
sounds.
Sa OPM naman, yung sa OPM na legit, yung parang pinaka-OPM lang talaga na
OPM na legit? What do you mean? Sumasakit yung ulo ko para niya na naiisip to mga bagay na to. Based to sa caption, legit OPM, like 100% the emotion is there.
Nun. Tapos OPM naman, yung sa OPM na legit, yung parang pinaka-OPM lang talaga na 100%, parang kumbaga nandun yung emotions eh. 'Di ba? Pag sinabi mong OPM ay emotions, tapos kasi P-pop parang medyo party, ganun.
What? That is arguably one of the most ridiculous opinions I heard about P-pop. Yes, we have party songs like Wyatt, but when it comes to emotion, Mapa hanggang sa huli ang tila luha are looking at you, bro. Even in the 90s, we already have P-pop groups that do that, like Jeremiah.
Yeah. Oh, that's a fucking classic. Hey, Marvin Jolina pa,
Siguro
no?
kung may band or artist na na P-pop na ganun, siguro ma-encourage niya ako makinig sa kanya na sa ganun.
I'm telling you guys, once he starts listening to slower P-pop songs, he might easily become a fan. The obvious thing really going on in here is just his lack of knowledge when it comes to music.
Okay. What is my last question on this subject? What is your message to the P-pop groups? Like SB19 ba? Beanie ay P-pop. Beanie, BGY, o yung sa Warner na Vixen yata yun.
Vixen.
Ayun.
Kasi di ba parang ang out nila is world domination. So what's your message to them?
Ayun, so syempre happy din ako na syempre na-discover yung natin, tawag dito, yung P-pop music natin. Parang nagiging K-pop na siya kumbaga, di ba?
Now, a lot of people might have misunderstood that as statement. But I think all he was saying there was about P-pop's rise in popularity having a trajectory similar to how K-pop started, which is a good thing.
Kasi may mga international na listeners na din na nakikinig kahit di nila naintindihan. So sobrang happy ako doon.
At saka SB19 nag-billboard.
Oo, grabe nga eh.
His body language and the way he reacted gives away the possibility that he just found out the moment he heard from this reporter. Let's have a second look.
Sobrang happy ako doon.
At saka SB19 nag-billboard.
Oo, grabe nga.
Billboard.
Oo.
Right?
Ayun, sobrang happy ako and ipagpatuloy lang nila yung ganun. And siguro improvements pa na wag nilang kakalimutan na pag sinabing P-pop dapat andun yung kumbaga nakatatak pa din yung Philippines, ganun.
Yo, P-pop is from the Philippines. It stands for Pinoy pop, dude.
Hindi lang siguro kung hindi sa lyrics sa sound, parang ganun.
Sound? I think he should listen to Alamat. How about some SB19?
Ito yung pag sinasabi niya yung sounds, yung ganun, in a way of explaining kung bakit iba yung P-pop sa Pinoy pop. I mean, Pinoy pop is P-pop, P-pop sa OPM. Doon mo makikita yung lack of knowledge niya about music, no? Music artist pa naman din siya. Yeah.
Thanks, Arthur.
Okay, so that's the end of the interview. This video made me want to check his channel, and I found out that Arthur Miguel is actually a very talented Filipino artist.
Oh.
He has a massive following, pushing to almost 1 million subscribers.
Arthur
he has
Miguel?
different song covers that amasses millions of views, like this one.
I was enchanted to meet you.
He even has a single called Pasahili, which means para sa hindi pinili. Talk about how SB19 titled their debut single. Anyway, I made this video not to hate on the guy, but to raise awareness about what P-pop really is, because sadly, a lot of people still don't understand it. P-pop is OPM, and it's clearly opposite to what Arthur thinks. P-pop is not trying to be something that already exists. P-pop is P-pop, because a wise man once said,
I guess the authenticity when you're doing something
Pablo, always the wise man, no? I like it. I like it.
that you really love, it transcends to them. And everyone's just trying to achieve their dreams. No matter big or small the stage is, you should never regret what you're doing.
Alright, well again, that's Casual Chuck, when you criticize P-pop without knowing anything about it. Medyo mali yung lyrics, yung title, no? When you criticize music in general, without knowing anything about it. Again, I don't want to hate to the guy, to this dude as well, no? I know he's a great singer. Malaki yung niya, yung following niya, no? And yung mga videos niya is umaabot ng millions, like what we see on sa pinakita ni Casual Chuck sa video, no? But the thing is, yung siguro maybe he's knowledgeable more on like how to, I don't know. Di ko maintindihan kasi kung paano niya, I don't know how he can explain like that on the interview and then make actually a good song and then be a good singer. And then, the way kasi siya ma-explain kanina, hindi ko alam kung singer ba talaga siya o may alam siya sa music, no? Pero nakita ko yung following niya, nakita ko yung na magaling din siya kumanta. I mean, he's really a singer. He's really, I don't know, man. I don't know. I guess medyo pangit lang yung take niya sa P-pop. No hate kay Arthur Miguel, no? But I just want you to know that your take on P-pop is trash, man. It's fucking trash, no? But no hate to you, man. No hate to you. Doon lang sa opinion mo, no? Doon lang sa opinion mo. And again, this is 2 years ago. I hope na mas kilala mo na yung P-pop ngayon. Lalo na ngayon, no? Lalo na ngayon. But yeah, that's a wrap for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto nyo mag-react yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song. I mean, just comment down below. Mag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.